crystal sand. Now we do have a quick move-in home that is available for you to purchase with this same floor plan, and I'm so excited to show this to you. Now, with this community by Neal Communities in Canoe Creek, we have natural gas, no CDD fees, we have exclusive amenities, which the pair villas, you can use the larger single-family homes and use their amenities as well. So if you're thinking about maybe moving to Parrish, it's a great location, and we're going to go ahead and give you a tour of the floor plan. Let's come inside. I hope you enjoyed the crystal sand pair villa of this model home. Now I do have a lot that is available for you, a home site, and this drink could be yours and we can make a toast. So stay tuned to our next video of the amenities and the home site of the home that is currently available with this floor plan of the crystal sand. Cheers! I am here to show you the amenities for the Pair Villa, so come inside and check out the amenities. All right, thank you everyone for watching the crystal sand, which is the Pair Villas, and we're here at lot 323, this feature home that is available. So if you are interested in a Pair Villa that's 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage with this wonderful view, which we just showed you, feel free to reach out to Laura Barshaw when it comes to new construction homes. Reach out to me at 941-735-4882. My email is homes@laurabarshaw.com. If new construction homes not for you, I can help you with resale homes as well. But you get some great incentives when it comes to new construction, so don't forget to hire a real estate agent, and I hope you would hire Laura Barshaw with Better Homes and Gardens, Real Estate Ashley Properties. Thank you.